NFC is a short-range wireless communication technology and stands for near-field communication. It provides secure communication between an NFC tag and internet-enabled NFC smartphones. Guinness is incorporating NFC into their brand new fonts, and it's going to initiate interactions with your customers in a brand new way. Guinness will be using their NFC-enabled font to provide fantastic added value to your pub customers, such as seamless reward delivery mechanism, distribution of Guinness-specific content, and participation with Guinness promotions. NFC will get people engaging with and talking about your pub in a way that's never been done in a pub before. Virtually anything can be NFC enabled by equipping them with small NFC tags, and it's these small tags that have been inserted into the top of Guinness fonts across Ireland and Great Britain. The NFC tags we've used are permanent and will last the lifetime of the font. As you can see, the tag has been positioned directly behind the iconic Guinness harp. This is to support a catchy and memorable instruction of "Tap the harp" for customers. As an introduction to NFC, Guinness will be running an 8-week complimentary pint campaign, only with Stonegate's great traditional pubs. Customers can enter once per day and on every visit over the course of the 3-week period. And there is no limit on the number of times they can win, so expect a lot of repeat visits. To enter, all they need to do is tap the harp. Many of your customers will already have NFC-enabled devices and not even realise it. They're the ones that will need a bit of extra support in understanding how they can interact. NFC is set to revolutionise promotions within the pub trade. As with all new technologies, the possibilities are endless, but people need to know how to use it. Guinness have supplied you with an NFC fact sheet, which will give you a more detailed overview of NFC and provides answers to some typical questions that you may come up against from your customers. It also provides you with a full list of NFC-enabled devices that can interact with the font. Samsung, HTC, BlackBerry, Sony, LG, Acer, Nokia, Orange, Panasonic and Motorola all produce NFC-enabled devices. In fact, it's only Apple that is yet to release their NFC-enabled model. NFC is positioned slightly differently in each NFC phone model. However, the NFC chip will always be situated somewhere on the back of the phone and with the ability to read a tag when held up to 4 cm away. If a customer is unsure whether or not their smartphone has NFC capabilities, they'll need to check their settings. Typically, the NFC settings will be found within the device's connectivity section, such as wireless and networks. Look for NFC and ensure it's switched on. If NFC isn't listed, then it's unlikely that the phone's compatible. When tapping an NFC tag, you need to always ensure that the phone is unlocked and that the device has internet connectivity, such as 3 or 4G, or connected Wi-Fi. Hold the phone up to the harp for a couple of seconds. This allows the connection to be made between the NFC reader and the NFC tag behind the harp, and the phone will receive the content. And that's it! It really is as simple as just unlocking your phone and holding it close to the harp to receive content. Guinness and NFC, providing an enhanced experience for your customers in your pub.